In the fabulous Cambridge High School, we are expected to go to 6 classes every single day. In each class, there's about 30 kids with 30 different faces, personalities, backgrounds, and races. But one of the most interesting things that makes us all different is our name. The possibilities are nearly endless, but yet each combination makes us an individual. The same could easily be said about covalent bonds. But honestly, what is so important about their name? Well, covalent bonds, also known as covalent compounds, are the result from sharing of electrons between atoms, resulting in molecules. One can imagine that the name of these bonds are important to differentiate each combination. So, knowing how to name covalent bonds is key to transitioning molecular formula to numerical prefix names. The first step to naming these bonds is understanding how to get from A to B. Molecular formula is what the notation of the illustration of a bond looks like and is the number of atoms in each molecule of a compound. Once you have a molecular formula, you can start the naming process. The next thing to understanding what prefixes mean is that there are 10 prefixes resulting in quantities 1 through 10. The prefixes are mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nona, and deca. These prefixes will come before each pertaining element. Take this for example. Looking at the number, you can decide which prefix to use. The 2 tells us that the correct prefix to use is di, so the result is dibromine. The 3 tells us the correct prefix to use is tri, so the result is trioxide. Put them together and you have a covalent bond. Unfortunately, there are some cautions to this. All prefixes except mono apply to the first term. For instance, CO would not be monocarbon monoxide, it would just simply be carbon monoxide. But at the same time, just because there isn't a number doesn't mean there isn't a prefix. Again, take CO. According to notation, you wouldn't put C1O1 because the letters being there already implies there is one present. So while it is misleading, the correct way to write it is carbon monoxide. After that, that's it. Naming covalent bonds is easy breezy and will save from looking at endless names that don't make any sense. There may be different types of names out there, but when it comes to covalent bonds, it's just a number game. Thanks for watching.